Class 66 single phase half bridge voltage source inverter. It is half bridge, means the power devices are on only one side. Here we have only voltage sources. Here we have to split the power source into two. We need the center line, or we should have two identical sources connected in this manner. Now let us see the operation. At t is equal to 0, T1 is fired. So current will go like this. Voltage, this end A will be positive, B will be negative. We will get like this. Output voltage will be like this. At t is equal to t by 2, T1 is force commutated. Because this is DC, so you have to switch off this by forced commutation. After that, turn on T2. Now current will flow like this. So during T1 operation, current was flowing like this. During T2 operation, like this. So now we have got positive at B, negative at A during T2 operation. So now negative pulse. So do this repetition, we will get square wave, positive and negative pulses, or positive half cycle, negative half cycle. But this will be square wave. For making smooth sine wave, we need some other circuits. The diodes are called as feedback diodes, which are needed during inductive load. Here for simplicity we have not shown these. See, what happens here is, when you fire this, current will flow like this. When we turn off T1, due to inductance, current cannot become 0 immediately. So when this becomes off, current will still flow here. But now what will happen is, it will flow like this. D2 will become forward biased when this is switched off, and energy will be fed back to the source. Hence it is called as feedback diode. Anyhow, for simplicity it is not shown in the waveforms